Hello and welcome my dear Prep 3 students, Mr. Haney with you from Badr Tiger Private School. Today we are going to start with Unit 12, Lesson 1 and 2. Unit 12's title is Transport Workers. Transport Workers. As usual, we are going to start with Lesson 1 and it will be a reading text. This reading text is an email. This email was sent from Ragab to his friend Hassan. Dear Hassan, I'm writing this email after my first day at work. I'm working on a project for a big new building in the middle of Cairo. The project is to build a station for part of the new metro line. When I arrived at the building site, the manager ordered me to wear a helmet and boots. He warned me to look out for things falling, especially if I'm under the ground. He asked me to tell him about my work experience. I told him that it was my first job. Then he said that I should work with a group of men who are building a wall around the new station. Manual work like this is very tiring, but I enjoyed being part of a team. The manager told me that the new metro would open in 2022. The station I'm working on is one of 15 new stations on the line. When it's finished, there will be 1.5 million more passengers on the line. I'm proud to help with such an exciting project. Ragab. So these are the most important vocabulary in this text. Now let's skip through the grammar. And the grammar in this unit is talking about reporting statements and reporting imperatives. Reporting statements, we use it as reported speech to report someone else's words. When we report statement, the tense goes one step further back into the past. There is also a change in the pronoun. For example, if someone said, I come from Egypt, said Ali, for example, this is a direct speech. To make it into reported or to transform or convert it into reported statement, I say, Ali said that he came from Egypt. So I goes one step back from present simple in the original sentence into past simple. Reporting imperatives. When we report the imperatives, the form is reporting verb plus object plus to plus infinitive. The verb form doesn't change a step further back. For example, the doctor said, breathe in. This is a direct speech. When I want to convert it into reported speech, I'll say, the doctor told me to breathe in. Examples of reporting verbs used for imperatives include advise, encourage, invite, order, tell, warn. For example, tidy room, said my mother. My mother ordered me to tidy my room. Suppose if the imperative was negative. To report negative imperatives, we use verb plus object plus not to plus the infinitive. For example, I said, don't look. This is a negative imperative. When I want to convert it into reported, I'll say, I warned my friend not to look. Please don't be late, the teacher said. This is a direct speech. The reported will be, the teacher advised us not to be late. Now we have a project and some exercises. First, we are going to solve these exercises with each others, and then later we are going to talk about the project. Write these reported statements. For example, number 1. English is our favorite subject. My friends told me. This is a direct speech. To make it into reported, I'll say, my friends told me that English was their favorite subject. Number 2. I'm learning how to swim, said Tariq. The answer will be, Tariq said that he was learning how to swim. Number 3. The new shop will open in 2 weeks' time. Sarah told us. The answer? Sarah told us that the new shop would open in 2 weeks' time. Number 4. My sister wants to buy a book, said Ahmed. This is a direct speech. The reported will be, Ahmed said that his sister wanted to buy a book. I want you to solve this exercise at home. Number 1. Make imperatives 2. Invite your partner somewhere. Order your partner to do something. Warn your partner not to do something. Advise your partner to do something. After making these imperative sentences, I want you to report what your partner said to the class. That's all for today, and thank you.